Electron affinity or affinity energy. The amount of energy released when an electron is added to an isolated neutral gaseous atom. Its lowest energy state, that is, in ground state, to produce an anion is called its electron affinity or affinity energy. It is generally represented by E sub A or E cap E and is measured in electron volt EV or kilocalorie per gram atom. Thus, electron affinity can be defined by the equation cap A gaseous plus E sup minus gaseous changed to A sup minus gaseous, that is anion, plus energy released EA or E. Here A gaseous represents neutral gaseous atom and A sup minus represent anion. The above process by which the neutral gaseous atom adds an electron is an exothermic process since energy is released in it. Since electron affinity represents the energy released, it is represented with a negative sign placed before it. Electron affinity just defined as actually first electron affinity E1 since it corresponds to the addition of one electron only. In the process of adding an electron to an anion A sup minus gaseous against the electrostatic repulsion between the electron being added and the negative charge on A sup minus ion, energy instead of being added and the negative charge on A sup minus ion, energy instead of being released is supplied to A sup minus gaseous to form A sup double minus gaseous. From equation A gaseous plus E sup minus gaseous changed to A sup minus gaseous plus energy released. Next, A sup minus gaseous plus E sup minus gaseous plus energy supplied changed to A sup double minus gaseous. Energy supplied in the process to convert A sup minus gaseous to A sup double minus gaseous is called second electron affinity represented by cap E sub 2 of A. Since cap E sub 2 is the energy absorbed, it is given a positive sign. Now factor influencing the magnitude of electron affinity. The magnitude of cap E is influenced by a number of factors such as first, atomic size, second, effective nuclear charge, third, screening effect by inner electrons. Now, periodic variations. First, in a group, in moving down in a group, electron affinity value generally decreases. For example, electron affinity of chlorine is greater than electron affinity of bromine is greater than electron affinity of iodine. This is due to the steady increase in the atomic radius of the elements. Exception. There are, however, some exceptions to this general rule as is evident from the following examples. First, all the elements of second period of the periodic table are relatively smaller in size than those of the third periods. 8. Electron affinity E values of elements of second periods are smaller than the E values of third period of element. This is due to the smaller size of second period of element give a very much higher value of charge densities for the respective negative ion. A high value of electron density is opposed by the inner electron in repulsive forces. Second, from table it is clearly shows that Electron affinity of chlorine is greater than electron affinity of fluorine. That is, E sub Cl is greater than E sub F. The lower value of E for fluorine is probably due to the electron-electron repulsion in a relatively compact 2p orbital of F atom. Hence, E sub Cl greater than E sub F greater than E sub Br greater than E sub Ei. Here E represent electron affinity and sub represents corresponding atom. B. In a period, electron affinity values generally increases moving from left to right in a period in the periodic table. There are some exceptions. There are, however, exceptions also to this general rule. Example, first, Be and Mg have their E values equal to 0. Since Be and Mg have completely filled s orbitals, Be electronic configuration 1s sub 2 2s sub 2 and Mg electronic configuration 1s sub 2 2s sub 2 2p sub 6 3s sub 2. The additional electron will be entering the 2p orbital in case of B and 3p orbital in case of Mg, which are of considerably higher energy than 2s orbitals respectively. Second, similarly in the case of inert gases in which the n into s and n into p orbitals are completely filled, n s sub 2 n p sub 6 configuration, the incoming electrons must go into an electron shell having a large value for the principal quantum number n. Thus, inert gases also have their cap E values equal to 0. Cap E means electron affinity. Third, nitrogen and phosphorus have unexpected lower values of electron affinity. This is because of the presence of half-filled 2p orbitals, which are relatively more stable and hence to which it is difficult to add an additional electron. Next, effect of electron affinity concept of chemical behavior. First, the higher of the value of E, electron affinity, of an element, greater would be its capacity to accept an electron. That is, the element will behave as a strong oxidizing agent. Second, in general, with the increase of the electron affinity difference, the amount of ionic character decreases or covalent characters increases. So with this topic ends here.